Jumping in fishes. Some fishes jump to escape from enemy for food or for purely joy sake. Generally by the fish swimming rapidly upward through the surface of water into the air, giving a sharp flick with its tail as it leaves the water medium. All the active propulsion is provided by the muscular action of the body while in water, but the passing into relatively less dense air accelerate the speed considerably and makes powerful leaps possible with a fairly slight muscular effort. For example, mullets, which is known as mugli, and marine gar extra. Now, flying in fishes. Flying fishes, when projected from the water by a stroke of powerful tail, expands its large pectoral fins and using them after the fashion of parachutes, floats or glides through the air with the stretched and rigid like an aeroplane. Example, Exocetus and Declepterus. And walking in fishes in cephalocanthus जो cephalocanthus fish होती है, the lower portion of their sizable pectoral fins are divided into three or four fingers like rays which they use for walking as an insect uses its leg. Crawling जो fish angler fish which is known as Lophius habitually use the pectoral fins for crawling above the sea bottom. Skipping Indian gobies, commonly called Muda skipper, use its pectoral fin which are bent at an angle like elbow joint for hopping over sandy flats left bare by the repeating tides. Climbing Indian climbing perch, which is known as Lanabes testudianus, use its opercular spines for ascending over trees. Tetrapods like walking. Lungfishes move slowly and deliberately like salamanders or mud puppy, raise themselves on their peculiar pectoral appendages and pose for a while, and then they move their head region sideways. Example, Protopterus and Neoseriatodus. Burrowing. Eels burrow